Hello, today I'm in BLACKVIEW Tab 6. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the phone. And now let's go to face unlock. Firstly enter it, tap agree and start. Scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.